dinosaurs are those?
Flying dinosaurs.
What other dinosaurs do you have here? Yeah, dinosaurs? Flying dinosaurs? Nobody can decorate a room like you do. I'm just kidding. Very true.
He got you with his front.
Is he fierce?
Yes. And he has blue on the bottom and red on the top.
Yeah.
Hi there, you.
Good morning.
You got the T-Rexes.
Oh, thanks. Can I have a hug?
Hi, Daniel. So cute.
You
Oops.
have the T-Rexes.
Yeah.
The blue and the red.
The blue and the red. Okay.
The pink.
Thanks.
You have the green on the top and the blue on the bottom. And you have the red on the top. You have the blue on the bottom. See, that's the same T-Rex.
Yeah.
Beep, 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 beep,
The dinosaur says beep beep.
beep, beep, beep,
Maybe needs to
beep,
go potty.
beep, 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 beep. You step on this dinosaur.
No, you're gonna go beep beep.
I can't. You can push me.
I can.
Yes.
Good job putting on your seatbelt. Why do you put on your seatbelt?
Because